how to screenshot view once on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, first you need to open your Instagram application. Over here, go to the messages section. After that, if someone has sent you a view once photo, you'll see it there. Then what you need to do is turn on airplane mode. Over here, go to your navigation panel and turn on airplane mode. After that, click on the view photo option and quickly take a screenshot. Screen recording won't work here, so just use the screenshot feature directly. Once you've taken the screenshot, then close the Instagram app completely. After that, search for the Instagram application again and click on force stop. Then reopen Instagram and you'll notice that the photo can still be replayed and the other person won't be notified that you took a screenshot. So that's basically how you can use Hula app AI video generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.